Hi, my name is Manny Lara. I've been an operator for OC Bus for 28 years. Today, I'm going to show you how to put your bike on the bike rack. Step 1. If the bike rack is up, grab the handle to pull it down. Step 2. Pick up your bike and put it on the rack that's closest to the bus. That way, it's going to be easier for the next rider. Step 3. Grab the lever and pull it up and over the top of the wheel to secure it. If the lever is not attached properly, your bike is not secure. After this, you can board the bus and pay your fare. When you're ready to exit, you can talk to the driver and let him know that you're gonna take your bike from the rack. This lets the driver know that you will step in front of the bus to get your bike. Reverse the process to take it off. First, pull up the lever that secures your bike. Then you lift your bike and remove it from the rack. If your bike is the last one on the rack, you need to secure it by lifting the handle to pull it up and push it back against the bus. Enjoy your ride. If you want to learn more, visit us online.